Poverty is a global issue that affects millions of people. It can be caused by a number of factors such as lack of access to education, healthcare, and employment. Every person is not lucky.
Ano bang pangarap sa buhay?
Marami, katulad ng pagiging isang huwarang pulis.
Gusto mo pala magpulis at hindi ka nagkakamali.
Wala, mahirap kasi ang buhay. Mahal ang edukasyon.
As an aspiring police, we must be the first generation to end this extreme poverty.
We are
We are
the generation the most determined to implement SDG goals.
We aspiring police are determined to end extreme poverty. Namumuhay tayo sa isang mundo na kung saan wala ni isang dumaranas na matinding kahirapan.
Bumuhay tayo sa isang mundo na kung saan ang lahat ay mabibigyan ng sapat na kaalaman, kasanayan, para sa isang masaganang buhay.
Mamumuhay tayo sa isang mundo na kung saan ay walang nagugutom at gumigising sa umaga na nagtatanong.
May ulam ba?
May ulam ba?
We aspiring police are determined to end extreme poverty.
Let's get it to work!
Let's make it happen.
For us, for everyone.
So no one will let me down.
These are the 3 SDG goals among the 17 SDG goals.